Hello everybody, this is Jason from Blue Weather. If you like weather-related information, like this video, subscribe below. And don't forget Blue Weather's on Facebook.com for daily updates. Alright guys, one of the things we're looking at is best chance of rain is going to be coming up Sunday and Monday. And the question of it is who is it actually going to help as far as the water table in the creeks and your wells and springs and so forth. Uh, let's get right into it, because not everybody's going to benefit that much from this rain, even though it is our best chance that we've had in a long time. What you see here is 1 a.m. Sunday morning, some rain coming in on this GSF model. And you can see it's coming in from the western side of the area. This here is 7 a.m. Sunday morning. And if you notice, it's still staying dry here in the eastern West Virginia, except for up in the Panhandle, and then most of Virginia. This here is Sunday, 1 p.m. You can see it still is avoiding eastern West Virginia and Virginia and most of North Carolina. It's staying towards the west, a normal, typical Ohio Valley rain, where Kentucky and Ohio and northern West Virginia into Pennsylvania usually that gets the rain. This here, you notice by 7 p.m. Sunday, it has slid by to the east a little bit, not a whole lot, but the problem of it is a lot of the heavier moisture has done moved north at that point. This here is 1 a.m. Monday morning, and still yet again, you see it still trying to avoid Virginia, uh, and how the heaviest stuff is in Kentucky and Ohio, in that yellow and red that you see here. This is Monday morning, 7 a.m. Same thing. Anything that eastern West Virginia, when I say eastern West Virginia, east of 77, is on the lighter side of Virginia, almost nothing at all. So obviously, any rain that we get at all is going to help uh, as far as keeping the ground wet enough to keep the fires down. But it's not that far east. It's not going to help the actual water levels. This here is still showing rain Monday, 1 p.m. And it's probably our best chance here in Virginia and eastern West Virginia to even get anything. And this here is Monday evening, about 7 p.m. And as it moves out of Virginia, it's done quit by that afternoon in West Virginia and Kentucky on Monday midday. Now, as far as totals goes, this is a 24-hour total. And as you can tell on this GSF model, anywhere those purples are, you're getting past 2 inches of rain. But, over here where the greens are is a half an inch or less, especially in Virginia. So, I mean, even in eastern West Virginia, maybe a half inch, that will help the ground for fires, but that will not help your creeks, springs, wells, etc. So that's not good for those dry areas, but we'll take what we can get. This is day 1, which is today, and as you can see, there'll be some rain up and down here in the mountains. Not a whole lot, though. This is tomorrow, pretty much well dry, unless you're up north. This is Thursday, pretty well dry. This is Friday and Saturday night, still dry, but you can see some of it is gathering up here to the west. But then this is when the rain comes in from 12 p.m. Sunday between Monday and night. So Sunday through Monday night. But as you notice, I drew a red line there. And from what I've seen on the data, and this from the National Weather Service, when they took a blend of a lot of the data, the drought's probably going to stay east of that red line. And I marked it here that way because We'll be lucky if we get more than a half an inch of rain at the most. And that's, well, as you can see, anywhere on these greens here is about a quarter inch of rain to a half inch of rain. Real light greens, less than that, a tenth to a quarter. That, over a 7-day period, is not going to help us that are east of that red line. So the Greenbrier Valley, the Roanoke Valley, the new river that runs from North Carolina on up to West Virginia, it's not going to help those water levels any. But I just wanted to give you guys an update. The ones that's going to benefit from this is those west of this red line. Those are the ones that's going to get the most benefit from it. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Talk to you later.